Automating tasks and workflows enables individuals and teams to get their job done faster. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2019 improves on this by introducing enhanced automation functionality that can be leveraged not only in design, but downstream in quality, technical communications, and beyond. Easy-to-configure workflows in SOLIDWORKS PDM are paramount for hands-off automation. For example, we'll export the sheet metal flat pattern as a DWG or DXF. This task can now be executed from an option inside the PDM vault. But to truly make it hands-off, the automated task can start when the source CAD file is transitioned in a workflow. Notifications, a valuable function of workflows, can now be sent based on conditions. In this case, the contract manufacturer has noticed an issue and pushes it back from the web portal. Even with multiple designers in the company, only the responsible designer gets notified based on the property in the data card. Creating these users in PDM can be automated by importing them from Windows Active Directory. To make this environment more flexible, for cases like our external manufacturer, we can now add users local to the vault even though they're not available in Active Directory. Usernames can now be leveraged as a default value when performing searches. For example, it's now easier than ever for technical writers to find, complete, and check in their SOLIDWORKS Composer projects without leaving their application. SOLIDWORKS Inspection has similar integration and applies properties from the PDM data card to the project and published reports, eliminating duplication of data entry. Experienced PDM users will also benefit when performing day-to-day activities. Working in the vault is made much easier as a result of full file shortcut functions available in the Where Used, Contains, and BOM tabs. As changes are made to files, version history comments and labels can now be created and edited with more flexibility if granted in the administration settings. And when editing SOLIDWORKS drawings, the data card properties may now be automatically applied to new sheets when they're added, saving even more time. With the improvements made in SOLIDWORKS PDM 2019, it's easier than ever to automate your tasks and workflows so that you can complete your projects faster.